Welcome to the Rohingya Cultural Memory Center. Let us have a look inside the center now. After entering, the Houses of Arakan section will give you a glimpse of various kinds of houses traditional to Rohingya culture and used largely in Arakan. Then you can see the Farming Tools section. This section showcases the traditional farming tools of Rohingya farming culture. And at the center of the collection, you'll see the mighty Doloin, which is a rice threshing machine, and this is at the core of the farming memories of the Rohingya community. In the same section, you will find the cycle of rice tapestry, which is an embroidery work done by the women artisan in RCMC, which explains the traditional farming process in 16 steps, starting from preparing the land, growing the crops, harvesting, threshing, storing, and preparing food from it. Next, you can see the landmarks of Arakan. This section represents 17 landmarks from 17 townships of Arakan state. Every milestone has its own history. Then on your left-hand side, you'll see the symbols of Arakan tapestry, which shows some of the major icons from the Rohingya cultural traditions and rituals, including food, games, and other icons. Going ahead, you can see various kinds of boats of Arakan. There are fishing boats, passenger boats, and boats which carries goods. Boats were a significant mode of transportation for navigation in Arakan. If you look up, you will find various ranges of fishing net installed at the roof area. These are just not mere woven ribbons. To catch the right fish, you have to have the right net. Also, for different water bodies, there are different fishing nets. Then you will see the Rohingya kitchen, which contains a mud oven, utensils, containers, and other traditional items. The kitchen has been set up exactly like a traditional Rohingya kitchen. Then comes the children's corner. The major attraction of the children's corner is the rotating Kissa Rasmali or the revolving story cabinet. Each leaf or the door of the cabinet narrates a story. Also, many toys made of clay, bamboo, cane, and wood using Rohingya traditional craftsmanship are showcased in this section. Rohingya culture has a rich heritage and genre of music. The music corner shows some of the key musical instruments in the collection, like the mandolin. Through the entire journey inside the center, you have seen different gardens in different sections of the center. RCMC promotes the idea of different gardening tradition in Rohingya culture and has a kitchen garden, flower garden, aqua garden, and a medicinal plant garden inside the center. Rohingya community has a culture and tradition of using herbs for their physical well-being. The medicinal plant garden has various plants with medicinal benefits like the holy basil, the moringa, lemon, peppermint, sweet basil, and many more. On the other side of the section, you will see the Rohingya furnitures, which has a unique design of its own. The corner will show integrated wooden designs by the talented Rohingya artisans in RCMC. The embroidery section in RCMC is dedicated to the stories and memories woven by the women. It opens up a whole world of different memories and stories, narrations shared by the women. This tells the stories through the embroidery and drawings done by women artisans working with RCMC. The tour of the RCMC collection ends with positivity and aspiration. The Future Life Tapestry shows the colorful dreams of Rohingya through the embroidery about their dream life in future. Sitting in the small shelters of the camp, they dream of returning to their homeland and living a safe and beautiful life with harmony. From its beginning, RCMC has been thriving to preserve and showcase the Rohingya culture to the community and the communities beyond the camp. And by doing so, RCMC helps the community to heal and uphold their identity.